Hi guys, so this is just a quick follow-up from the bubble tutorial that I hope that you've watched. I'll stick this one in the end of the bubble tutorial because I came back into the pouring room today and I've noticed all of the jars and the resin has cured, but you can really see now, and this is the whole sort of point from the last video, you can really see the difference in the bubbles from all three. Let me see if I can get this on camera. So this is the glass cast 3, and I don't know whether or not that's really difficult to see. Let's put it that way, you can see through it. You can, the amount of bubbles in there, the amount of micro bubbles in there is amazing. Granted, it's quite thick, and this is a sort of exaggerated point, if you like, but when you compare it to the lake, I mean, you can still see a few in there. I'm sorry, I can't get the camera focused when it's rolling, but you can still see a few in there. And then the ocean is pretty much crystal clear. I'm not going to lie, there are a couple in there, but I haven't done, remember I just poured these straight out. I didn't do anything like heat gunning them or anything. So you can really sort of see the difference between the two, between the three. In, you know, I think that my major point still stands. The deeper pour resin, or the thinner viscosity resin, the better the outcome is. It's just as simple as that. So, you know, I saw a Facebook post the other day, and it said the question was, how can I make my resin cure faster? And I thought, no, you know, how can you be a bit, how can you have a bit more patience, should be the question. So, you know, have patience in your work, basically. If you can, I mean, like, if you can use a deeper pour resin, use a deeper pour resin. You know, if you're using resin or making projects that you want done really quickly, in my opinion, you shouldn't really be doing it. You know, you should have a bit of patience, have pride in your work, and use your resins for their intended purpose. I mean, granted, that's a little bit, it's a bit of a generalisation, I understand that, I know that, but you know, and this one, like I said, is a glass cast 3, and it should be poured a lot thinner, but my main point still stands, I think, especially for beginners. So if you are beginning, I think you stick to the rules of deeper pour, thinner viscosity resin, less bubbles. See you next time. Thanks.